How to easily connect Facebook page to Instagram. So to start, we'll just have to open our Instagram application, and then in here we'll have to navigate to our profile. To do that, tap on the profile icon, and then once we're here on profile, go to this edit profile option. After that, we'll have to scroll down and tap on this page option. In here, tap on continue, and then after that, tap on the login to Facebook option. So in here, you're supposed to automatically see your Facebook page, but if you don't see your page here, what you need to do is to open your Facebook account, and then in here, tap on this profile icon, and then after that, go to the settings icon. And then in here, tap on the search button and type here page status. After that, tap on the page status option, and then in here, scroll down, tap on the manage admins. In here, you have to make sure that you are one of the admins of your Facebook page. So once you're done, you'll just have to go back to your Instagram account and then tap on the continue option. After that, you'll just have to wait for a little to process connecting your Facebook page to Instagram account. So that's how easy you can connect Facebook page to Instagram. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!